Hello everyone, welcome for our next lesson, and at this today's video I'm going to show you how we can connect to the SQL Server but with a different way, because at this video I'm gonna show you how we will write data to the SQL Server table. If you didn't see already one video showing how to connect to a database SQL Server, getting data from that, uh, I will show it in some places at this video here. You can type and watching. But today I'm going to show you how we will write data to the SQL Server, okay? So please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And for this, you will help me a lot and you will receive more and more videos. And this video can reach many of other people's too. So get to the screen and start to this. For start, uh, writing data to the SQL Server, I'm with my SQL Server opened here, and what I'm gonna do right now is close these tabs first, close all documents and save. Okay, and now I'm going to create a simple table, new table. So I'm going to create a very simple column. I will name it sales, a sales table, and that's it. Let's load our tables, and here we have our sales table, right? Returning here to Alteryx canvas, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create input data from scratch, but not this input data. I'm going to create a text input data from scratch, and my columns are going to be customer and value. Okay, customer, value, customer A, 200, B, 300, C, 1000, and D, 500. Okay, run it. Here we have our data. Okay, and now let's check our data types, and I'm going to drop here my select tool, and here you can check it. And so the value is for customer is a string, and for value of our value associated to our value column is string. But I want to change, I want to save as string because I want to use the same data type as I'm using to my SQL Server, right? So let's run again, and here we have our data. So now to write data to the SQL Server, we need to use the output data. In the output data, to the left panel in the left side, we will select this arrow down here, and let's again select our data sources. I already have one video, I will put it someplace in this video too, where you can see how we can connect to their databases. And in this video, I'm showing how we'll connect and get data from SQL Server, right? So enjoy this video too, but let's return here, and I will select a recent databases that I already have, At this step, he's asking me the name of my column, of my table, and my table is sales table. And good. So pay attention for those configurations here, because in this little tab of configurations, this table of configurations, we have to change some things. For example, in output options, what I want is append existing data. I can select delete data and append. I can overwrite the dropping the table and create again. I can select create a new table and all of others updating options. But what I want here is appending an existing data table that I already have. So by selecting this option, what we have to check here again is mapping the columns. So for the customer, I will select the customer, and for the value, I will select the value. In the source, it's where my data coming from. For example, in my text input tool, in my destination, it's our columns in our SQL Server, right? Pay attention, I'm not using ID here, but probably it's going to get an error. So let's check. Okay, out of memory. Uh, this is a very common error that's prompted for us using Alteryx, because we have to check to the size of our data types, for example. And my sales table in SQL Server, we are using customer and value with varchar 255 size of these characters. So we have to change it in our Alteryx. So let's change it. And to change it, of course, we have to select our select tool and change to 255. Right? Let's check. So this error is facing to me because I didn't insert the ID column to my data. So what I'm going to do here is create a new table and fix that ID column as a primary and identity configurations. So first we have to drop and let's set to identity, yes, and increment identity by 1. So let's save sales 2. Let's update and let's select. Okay, we have created our new column with those configuration for IG column. So let's change these configurations here in Alteryx. We have to change the name of our new table, sales 2, and then let's run. So okay, that's sounds it's run it very fast. And let's check here in our SQL Server. So, okay, data are here. So like this, using this output data, you are able to save your data or your flow in the SQL Server or another database that you are using in your company or in your project, as is most useful for you, most helpful for you. So I hope you have liked this video. I hope you have learned something that will help you in your projects, in your career. And I'd like to thank you to watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for you receive more and more videos about Alteryx and data and so all of this work. Okay, hope you have learned something useful. Thank you for watching.